Tired of those awkward moments at the end of a group meal? You know the ones, where everyone is fumbling with a calculator app and trying to figure out who owes who what, and inevitably someone says, "Just send me a bank transfer later," and then you never hear from them again. We've all been there. It's a pain. But what if there was an easier way? If you're a Monzo customer, there is. Monzo has some incredibly smart features for splitting bills and managing group expenses that take all the hassle out of it. And the best part? It works even if your friends don't use Monzo. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about a one-off payment, like that dinner you just paid for. It's super simple. You just find the transaction in your Monzo feed, tap on it, and you'll see a button that says "Split this bill." From there, you can select who you were with. Monzo can even find friends who are nearby. You can choose to split the bill evenly, or if someone had that extra glass of wine, you can edit the amounts so everyone pays their fair share. Then, with a single tap, Monzo sends a request to your friends. If they have a Monzo account, they get a notification and can pay you back instantly. If they don't, you can share a link with them and they can pay you back securely using their own bank. But what about ongoing expenses? You know, for things like household bills with your flatmates or a group holiday where you're all chipping in for different things. This is where Monzo's shared tabs come in. You can create a running tab, add everyone who's involved, and then just add expenses to it as they happen. You can add Monzo transactions, or even add payments you've made with a different account or with cash. The app tracks who has paid what and who owes who. When it's time to settle up, Monzo does all the complex maths for you, figuring out the minimum number of payments needed to settle the tab. No more complicated spreadsheets or mental gymnastics. So whether it's a quick lunch with a friend or managing a months-long group holiday budget, Monzo's got you covered. It's a quick, easy, and painless way to get paid back, and it means you can focus on the fun stuff, not the financial admin. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.